Okay, hey! Me gwechwini mushin. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, Natasha rocking the Christmas music on the bass guitar. Oh, that was really good. Hey, Boujou! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boujou, Nana Boujou, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boujou, and this is Natasha
Boujou!
And today is Ojibwe word of the day. Well, since you're rocking the Christmas music, we might as well teach them how to say Merry Christmas, huh?
Yeah.
Let me just say, Minobi Nipa Anima E Gija Good. Minobi, to be merry. Nipa, nighttime. Anima E is a prayer. Gija Good, day. In the Ojibwe way, we call Christmas Nighttime Prayer Day. So, Minobi Nipa Anima E Gija Good. Merry Christmas to you and yours. From us and ours, I guess. And you have been watching
Boujou! Nana Boujou!
Podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boujou, and this is Natasha.
Boujou!
I will see you again.
Gigawabamin! Minawa!
Oh,
Alright. Hey, give us a thumbs up if you like the show. And click the subscribe button.